Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage your cookies on PayPal. PayPal uses cookies to improve your browsing experience, remember preferences, keep you signed in securely, and analyze website performance. Managing cookies allows you to control how people collect and uses the browsing data while using the website as well. So first open any of your web browser on your computer that you prefer, and once you reach into this interface of your browser, in the top you can find this address bar, type down paypal.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your official dashboard on the PayPal, what you can do is in the top right corner we can find this setting icon beside the logout. Click onto the setting over here and it will open to this account settings. Over here select to this data and privacy, and under this data and privacy we can find to this manager cookies. Over here select to this manager cookies, and under this manager cookies we can find all of this, and you can also know what cookies are. Then you can select to this small check mark, or you can simply deselect to this check mark and select save cookie setting on the bottom. And essential cookies normally cannot be disabled, but you can simply disable if you do not find it helpful, and select save cookie setting. And managing cookies on PayPal helps you control how your data and browsing activity are used while interacting with the platform. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.